going to pretend this is a practical. Keep the answer to yourself for just a second so everybody can think of it, okay?
Someone's totally going to yell at
This is what you see at low power, right here. Okay, so then the question number 1. Just keep it to yourself for a second. Identify this entire organ surrounding the pointer. Number 2 is identify this organ surrounding the pointer. Okay, so number 1 is trachea. Number 2 is esophagus. Question number 3 is identify this structure right there. Identify that structure. I'm going to put it one higher power. Right here. Identify that structure right there. Okay, answer?
Trachealis muscle.
Identify this type of tissue.
Hyaline cartilage.
Identify the structure.
Cartilage ring.
Tracheal cartilage ring. When I said identify the tissue, what was the answer? Hyaline cartilage. Okay. Identify this tissue right here. I'm going to turn it to a little bit higher power. That's the stuff inside of the lungs. Identify this tissue. Pseudostratified columnar. Identify the layer from here to here.
Mucosa.
Mucosa. What's this right here? Lamina
Propria.
Identify the layer from here down. Submucosa. And then identify this layer out here.
Adventitia.
Adventitia. Let me put that at a little bit lower power so we can more clearly differentiate all of that. Okay. Here's where we start our epithelium. This is stuff inside of the lungs, fluid and other stuff inside of the lungs. This right here is our pseudostratified. So from here to here, mucosa. From here to here, submucosa. And then right here, adventitia. The adventitia starts where the dense, irregular starts.
Where's the propina? Where are the serum mucus glands?
The serum mucus glands are right here. This was just a thin little layer with no serum mucus glands. So was that Elsa? It sounded like Elsa. Where are you?
Right
Oh, Elsa, over here. See, no serum mucus glands. Over here, it's a little bit thicker serum mucus glands. No. So right here. So let's increase our power right here. In this area, these are not the best. These are blood vessels. These are blood vessels. This slide doesn't have the nicest. There's a little vein going around. Yeah, this one doesn't have the best serum mucus glands for sure in this area. But let's put one that does.